Hello friends, welcome to my channel Create with Fatima. As you can see, I'm doing a crochet and this cute little purse help me to do this crochet anywhere I want. It's also carry my stuff, my hooks. It's very cute and very easy to carry. So today I will show you how to make this. So let's start it. And if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. This is the free pattern 11 by 5 inch. From this we have taken 2.5 inch and this is 5 inch. From here to here it is 5 inch and we make a curve here, and this 1 inch by 1 inch. We make a square here and this will be the folded part. Now we'll cut this. We'll cut this part which I have highlighted. So the pattern will look like this. So I have the main fabric, lining, and this is non-woven cloth, and this is for pocket. Fabric size is 10 and 22.5 inch. Now we'll fold it. One more fold like this. Keep it like this. Yeah, like this. We'll secure it by pins. This is the 4 open side here, and this is folded side. Fold from here, fold from here. We'll mark here. We'll only cut this side. Like this. The same way we'll cut the lining and this non-woven cloth. I've cut the lining and non-woven cloth. This is pocket 10 by 8 inch. I will fold it like this. Place it here this way and secure by pins. I have secured it with pins. Now I will mark 5 inch from here. Make a line here. And here 2.5 inch. Now we'll stitch it this here and here. It's done. 1, 2 and 3 pockets. Now we'll stitch this non-woven cloth, secure it with pins. We'll stitch all over it. It's done. Now we'll place the lining in front. We'll stitch this part. And this part. Not this one, not this one. It's done. give a small notches here and all over the rounded part. We'll turn now. It's done. Now we'll give the top sillai from here and here. It's done. Now we'll fold this way. This 1 inch marking we will do here. Now we will cut it. It's done. Now we'll give a stitch here, here and here. It's done. Now we'll sew here to here and the same way here. It's done. I will turn it out. My small little bag is ready. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.